Hello everyone, it's Nutan Deep and welcome back to my channel. So today I thought let's have a talk. Let's shoot this video and talk to you. The thing is, in the context of learning English, how much we focus on speaking skills to improve our speaking skills. See, listening, writing, reading, all of three things, three aspects are important, but most of the three of these things, the main thing which is most important is speaking. So here I want to tell you this to you that okay, if you are having a good knowledge of English grammar, sentence structuring, and lots of vocabularies, so heavy concrete vocabularies, in your mind it's stored perfectly. But when it comes to talk, when it comes to implement, you are not being able to speak out a single sentence, then what next? What is the fault? What is the lacking? Lacking is, maybe you have understood now, that you have to be focused. You have to sharpen your speaking skills. Speaking is important. Nobody is going to check this out, that how many vocabularies you know and how beautifully you write in English. When you speak out your thoughts in English publicly, you converse in English, you respond in English, that's when it proves that yes, you have speaking skills, because that's when you can respond in English. So where does it come from? You need to bring it out. You need to come out from your comfort zone. And initially it's not that much easy. You need to make it easy by doing your speaking, practicing on a daily basis. So it's all depends on you as well as your willingness. You have the willingness or not. So you need to make it as your passion. If you are passionate to learn English, that's when you can speak out in English, and it does not require lots of things, lots of practicing. It depends on your daily routine practicing. 15 to 20 minutes speaking practicing is enough if you do so. If you talk at least for 15 to 20 minutes in a day and do it on a daily basis, that's how you can improve your speaking skills. And to bring out from your comfort zone and talking in English, responding in English, you have to talk with in person. And it will happen when you go out and talk with people in English. Maybe you are not finding them, you are not having them. You can make your own way to talk. Get your voice recorded and talk. That's how you can achieve a little bit confidence to talk, to initiate a conversation in English. I can tell you about myself. I not never ever, sometimes I go out, sometimes I do not go. So the thing is, I don't have any other option apart from this. I can make my own videos talking in front of the camera in English. That's how I do my speaking practicing. So this is my problem. I am tackling with this, and I have no other option. Maybe you can have. So go out and search some people who are interested to talk with you, maybe your relatives, maybe your friends, to whom you can talk with in English, and that's how you can improve your speaking skills. Speaking is important and you need to consider it that important thing. It's an important aspect and you have to always keep it above. When you keep this thing in your mind, just register in your mind that yes, I have to have a command over English as well as I have to speak out in English. When you do so, gradually you'll feel like confident to talk, to initiate a conversation with other people. So it all depends on you how seriously you are taking it. In the context of speaking English, I'm telling you, it's all about speaking. Learning means there are lots of things. I think there are lots of things with this aspect: writing, reading, listening. Yeah, listening is important. I have talked about listening many a times, but right now I'm talking about speaking. Speaking is speaking should be most important in your way. That's when you can have a command over this language. So be consistent to do your speaking practicing. At least for 15 to 20 minutes you have to take out and just do speaking practicing. So that's all for today. Thank you.